And the thing is, you don't have to take Christmas from the babies to invest for them. You give them Christmas and you give them investments. You say, we're going to have a lot of fun right now because tomorrow's not promised, but just in case tomorrow arrives, we're going to have really have fun tomorrow too. So we're preparing for tomorrow and enjoying today. Let's see here. Prioritize economic education for the kids. Okay, economic education. Okay. Move north. Kevin says, move north to give kids access to better education and healthcare. Move north. Huh. Interesting. Okay. So the South would not be a good place to live. Let's see. Leilani, thank you for training me about wealth and how to protect it. Are you thanking me or are you thanking them? Either way, though, it's still good. Either way, we're all saying you're welcome. Let's see. Alri, keep the family together. Okay. Work on relationships. We are fourths together. Okay. Family together. That's a good one. Okay. Teach me how to pay myself first. Okay. Let's see. Who said that? I missed it. Oh my gosh. So many good answers. Okay. Faith. Pay myself first. Okay. Thank you, Faith. Great. Stefan, conflict resolution. Okay, good. Let's see. Clarence, aggressively learn everything there is to know about finances. So financial education. Excellent. Gail, turn off the TV and have more conversations about money. Okay, convos about money. Okay. Natalia, recognize how trauma has affected them and try to not pass it on. Okay, so we just say trauma. That's good. Big one, Natalia. Kamita, share your knowledge about creating wealth. Okay, right, perfect. Okay, so let's stop there. Let's stop there. And now we've looked back at the past. Now let's transport to the future and have them look back at you, right? Because we look back at our elders and we see areas where they made mistakes and they did things in a suboptimal way. They didn't do everything in the best way that they could. Well, you're the elders now, so now the kids in 2080 are critiquing everything that you're doing, even if you're doing it your best, and we think we're fancy and that we're doing everything right. We're probably not. We're doing things in a way that's probably going to be critiqued. I'm assuming if if I have grandkids and whatever that their research what we were doing back then or what we were all doing as a collective, I'm sure they're going to find areas where maybe either I made a mistake or they may say that the way he did it back then isn't the way I would do it right now. Right. So so let's now look at it in that way, but I want you to look at it in a way where it says, okay, these are the action items that you have on your priority list. You just said to your elders when you took the time bus and you time traveled back to 1970, these are the things you told them. You told them to buy stock, you told them health is wealth, you told them to teach me agriculture, open a trust, invest in your community, get economic education, keep the family together, teach me to pay myself first, conflict resolution, have conversations about money, and and learn about trauma. The word trauma came up, so I'd say just trauma knowledge. How about that? Just understand trauma and what it does. So that's your to-do list, right? That's your to-do list. And as you're building your family legacy and your family trust and everything else, then number one, stock has to be in that portfolio. So the one great approach would be open a trust, put stock in it, fund the trust. And when you put the stock in there, don't touch it, don't sell it, just add to it, don't take anything out. Um, Health is wealth. A lot of us have lost loved ones sooner than we should have because they didn't take care of their health. So at some point, someone's going to be sad because you're gone. And when you go exercise, you're giving more joy to that person